How to change Windows 11 administrator email. I am going to show you how you can change Windows 11 administrator email. Firstly, right-click the mouse and choose the option Display Setting. There you will find different options. Click on Accounts shown on the left side of the screen. After that, you have to scroll down and click Family. There you can add someone and open your family settings. Go back to Accounts and choose the option Other Users. You can add another account by clicking on Add Account. After that, a Microsoft account will be open and you will have to wait for some moment. It will ask you for the email address or phone number you want to put. After putting that, click on Next and then finish it. You can also change the account type from Standard User to Administration. Then OK to make it to your account type Administration. Now go to your computer search icon and search for the control panel. Then click on User's Account. There you can also choose the user you would like to change. I am making the changes by clicking on the account and choosing the Change Account Type. I have changed it from Standard to Administration. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.